It's been a while since I've done a road trip of any kind. Got back to the coast on the island here, and I've been doing nothing but working. So today I took the day off to go exploring in the Jeep, just to see if I could maybe go camping off-grid in Daisy May in some of these areas. So far, the road's pretty good, but if I had a camper van or a truck camper, I would be all over driving it to these campsites. But even if I had the RPod 180 and a pickup truck, I could do it. But with Daisy May, even if I took it slow, most of the road is really good to come out here, but there's some spots that you just don't want to have a big Class A motorhome. So yeah, that said, I'm gonna head down to Elk Bay right now and see what's down there. This is a beautiful spot. You can just imagine tent set up, nice fire in the fire pit, overlooking that kelp bed out there. Wow. I'm glad I came out today, even though it wasn't such a great looking day. Well, I'm gonna check out another route that I might be able to take Daisy May down, and if I can get my RV down here, I'll bring it in. But it's so beautiful, I will for sure be tent camping here. Let's go on to see STELLA Lake, okay, Annie? This is just north of Campbell River, just north of Roberts Lake. You go down Elk Bay, Maine, and just head down there, and it's just beautiful. And there's some beautiful spots to camp up. This is a beautiful lake. As you can see, it goes all the way up this side of the lake, this beautiful little sandy beach, and the water is crystal clear. And this is for sure going to be on my list of places to camp this summer or spring. I like camping the shoulder seasons because maybe I'll get a spot in spring, but I probably won't in the summer because it'll be too busy here. This site is definitely, you could get a 35-foot rig in there for sure. And it's nice and clear up top, so for the most part there's a couple of cedar branches hanging over, but you probably be able to get a bigger rig in here, no problem. This site was definitely built with a larger rig in mind, or even two smaller rigs side by side. It's long, deep, very open over top, no branches at all coming and hanging over to bang on your air conditioner. I'll for sure be bringing the Jeep and my tent up here and tent camping.